Welcome to this daily check-in with Angie Swearingen of Yoga Learning Adventures. Take a moment to find a comfortable position and settle in. If it's safe and comfortable to do so, you may like to close your eyes. And then begin to check in with your physical body. Are you holding any unnecessary tension in your jaw? So moving the tongue away from the roof of the mouth, creating space between the teeth. Dropping the shoulders down away from the ears. Softening the belly if you're pulling it in tightly. And then relaxing the hands, perhaps you're gripping. And now check in with your emotional state. How are you feeling in this moment? If you're finding that you're experiencing feelings of worry or nervousness, anxiety or stress or overwhelm, know that all emotions are normal and necessary. And whenever we're going through changes in our lives or transitions, it's normal for these emotions to pop up. And if we can see our emotions as messengers, communicating to us something that we need to do. So for example, your anxiety might be motivating you to work on your to-do list so that you start to accomplish some of those tasks and feel less overwhelmed. So sometimes when we're feeling these strong emotions, it's hard to regulate our emotions. So we're going to practice a strategy now. We're going to check in with the breath. The breath is the only part of the autonomic nervous system that we actually can control. So check in often with your breath, as we're going to do now. What is the quality of your breath in this moment? Is it fast or slow, deep or shallow? Are you breathing through your nose or your mouth? So to promote the relaxation response, we want to move to nose breathing, that nasal breathing. We want to slow the breath down so much that we can start to notice a slight pause in between the inhale and the exhale. And then begin to deepen the breath. So to promote the relaxation response, we want to take deep diaphragmatic breaths. So as you inhale, your chest and your belly rise. And as you exhale, the chest and the belly fall. So notice that rhythmic pattern. Inhale, expansion. Exhale, contraction. And now let's count our breath back from 5. This strategy is so helpful for calming the nervous system and also focusing the mind. So inhale 5, feel your belly and your chest rise. Exhale 5, feel your belly and your chest fall. Inhale 4, exhale 4. Inhale 3, exhale 3. Inhale 2, exhale 2. Inhale 1, exhale 1. And now just let your breath go back to its normal pattern, but check in again. What is your emotional state in this moment? Did anything change? When is a time throughout the day when this daily check-in would really help you to check in with your body, check in with your emotions, and help you to maybe shift your perspective. Maybe regulate those emotions. Thank you for joining me today. Take care.